So dear students, today again I have come with new video, and in this video we are going to discuss that how grammar is important for us to learning English. You know what happens that when you go to speak, when you are speaking someone, you feel nervous, you get shaky, you feel butterfly in your stomach, and you think that this is all because of your poor grammar. Grammar is very essential for you to speak English. This conception is there in your mind for a long time, and that is why you have been working on this thing for a long time, thinking that if your grammar would be correct, you would learn English easily, isn't it? So, you have to break this conception. This is not the right thing. You have to change this approach of yours. Grammar, I will not totally discard this idea of learning English from grammar. Grammar has something to do with learning English, but you cannot depend on grammar for whole learning process. Understand why? Because grammar is essential only for those students who are doing academic things, like if they have to cross some exam, if they are preparing for some teaching purpose. It's really good for them because they might learn lots of things, hundred thousands of rules of grammars are there, and it is very essential for them to learn because when they appear for the exam they should know all the rules of grammar. But if we talk about in terms of speaking, grammar has nothing to do with the speaking part, because you can realize yourself that you can learn your native language. You have been learning and still learn your native language only by getting lots of exposure from outside, from your home, from the society. Understand? So, grammar has nothing to do with learning a language. It, because language, it is a sound. Understand? And we have five sense organs. Only two organs help us in learning English, and these two organs are observations, and second one is when we speak something. Understand? By observing, by speaking, these two things works. So that is why I would suggest you that don't think that learning grammar would help you in any way. And you need to have a lots of, you need to have lots of social interactions, observations, exposure. Only these things will help you in learning grammar, because you have to speak, only speak. You have to convey your ideas, you have to put your thought across. This is the only thing which you need. You don't have to go to such monotonous rules of grammar. you know when a students learn from learning grammar, what happens that he spends the whole thing in his mind, his or her mind, in constructing the sentence. Understand? Whether it would be present continuous or past continuous or perfect continuous. So all the time they would be thinking about, constructing the ideas, the sentences, whether I am putting the right sentence, whether I am putting the wrong one. So in this process of confusion, what will happen? Words will not come out from your mouth. And what will happen? You will get shaky, nervous. So the thing is that the right way to learn English is to observe things. is to listen, more and more. You get exposure of English. Surround yourself from English atmosphere. Listens lots of video. Listen lots of videos and see movies, and try to watch only those things which have English subtitles. Hindi, things like Hindi drama or dramatized things with English subtitles. So, what would happen at the same time, or at a time, you are learning both the things, Hindi as well as English. Understand? So, it's going to help you a lot. But I would suggest you one thing, because most of the students have this conception in their mind that grammar is really, good for them. They are going to learn from only grammar. So I would not deny this fact. I would not discard this opinion of theirs, because I suppose that grammar, like, if they are using functional grammar means, the grammar which we daily use in our day to day speaking. Like, if you take some part of grammar, like parts of speech, tenses, active passive voice, modules, or modal verbs, auxiliary verbs, these things are going to help a lot. But these are the basic things. You need not learn, advanced grammar for your, conversation to become good. So that is why I would suggest you that try to learn grammar to some extent. This, idea of learning grammar is good, but to a point. I means, the basic grammar will do a great thing in your speaking part. And if you are thinking of learning the advanced label grammar and totally depending on grammar things, it will not help you in any way. So that is why leave this conception aside and try to learn more and more English by listening, observing, interacting with people. This will help you a lot. Thank you.